Hey everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing my Allure beauty box for July 2019. And this month it is in collaboration with Huda Beauty, which is cool. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. And that is what it looks like when you first open the box. It says, with passion and purpose, every dream is possible, from Huda Katan of Huda Beauty. It does have a little booklet inside. It has something that's outside of the bag, and then it has the bag, and then inside it has a picture of Huda herself, who is absolutely beautiful. She just is. But then again, I think most people have very pretty looks. I can't say that I have anybody that I'm like, oh my gosh, you look terrible. I think everybody is beautiful in their own regard. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the products. The first item is this that is on the outside of the box. This is the Huda Liquid Matte in the shade Alluring, which is an orange red, which I don't typically wear, but I've been trying to do different things that I'm not comfortable with. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I'm actually going to put it on today. I do have lipstick on already, but I'm going to go ahead and take it off. It might already be worn off. No, it's still there. It's just not very dark lipstick. So this is an Allure Beauty Box exclusive. It's a Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Alluring. Finally, I've been dying to tell you about the stunning orange-red lip color that we created with Huda Beauty for your July beauty box. As in, you can only get this tube of bright, matte summer perfection right here. When we first dreamed up this super sexy shade, we made a collage of one of our favorite runway lip trends, and then we passed the baton to Katan. She took our color inspiration to her crack product team and soon shipped her favorite orange-red options to our office. The rest was easy. It took us about a half a second to identify the shade more flattering and eye-catching than any orange red we've tried before. Katan is very good at her job. It looked amazing on 5 Allure editors with 5 very different skin tones, and just like that, Alluring was born. You can use code, there's a promo code. You can see custom code on the coupon in your box. I don't have a coupon in my box. Oh, it's on the inside of the bag. Okay, so it's a custom code. Only one person can use it to receive 25% off from July 1st through August 31st. So normally I would give you guys the code, but it is a custom code. So I'm going to go ahead. I have a tissue sitting here. I'm going to go ahead and wipe off this lipstick as best I can. It's just a nude. And I did use orange eyeshadow today, which I don't normally do. And honestly, I did watch an unboxing of this, but I totally forgot about it until I opened the box. And I already had my eyeshadow on by then. So let's go ahead in with Alluring. One issue that I've had with her liquid mattes before is that they are very liquidy. At least the ones that I've gotten are very liquidy. I've actually had them like come out of the package before. It has a wonderful smell. Ooh-wee. Not something I'm comfortable with. I think I overlined a little bit there. I definitely overlined a little bit there. Let's go ahead and blot. Yeah. It's not terrible. I overlined, so my lips look kind of weird to me. I don't hate it. I thought I wasn't going to like it because I really like wearing blue toned reds, but I don't hate it. I don't think it's bad. What do you guys think? All right. I will have to wear that again. I'm going to have to ask John what he thinks of it too. Once I turn the camera off, I'm going to go ask him what he thinks of it. He's probably going to be like, holy cow, your lips are bright. Okay, let's go ahead into the packaging. It is like a fluorescent pink, which is super pretty. There's a couple cards in here. Okay, so there's a card that says you can scratch to see what's in next month's box. And then there is my 25% off code for Huda. Okay, so hang on to the end and I will scratch off the items here to let you know what might be in the next one. But I'm going to wait until the end so you don't have it ruined. All right, I'm going to pull this out here, which I'm a little concerned, slightly concerned about, just because it was folded in half. So this is the Tony Moly Intense Care Gold 24K Snail Hydrogel Mask. Very reflective, so I'm not sure how much you're going to be able to see with my lighting there, but it is a golden packaging. All right, so this is the Tony Moly Intense Care Snail Hydrogel Mask. I know it sounds gross and sticky, but this sheet mask is infused with snail mucin. The slimy stuff actually, shockingly, feels heavenly on a hot summer day. It's cooling and hydrating and plumps my skin immediately. Plus, there's a real benefit to snail mucin, a popular K-beauty skincare ingredient. It's a complex mix of peptides, antioxidants, glycosaminoglycans, hyaluronic acid, zinc, copper, iron, and manganese, says Sajal Shah, a dermatologist in New York City. The powerful cocktail helps soften lines, calm inflammation, and promote collagen production over time. That means this sheet mask does everything a good sheet mask should, make skin radiant quickly and then some. Price is $10. You can buy it at tonymoly.us and use the code Allure20 at checkout to receive 20% off of off full price items from July 1st through August 31st. So Allure20. All right, let's go back into the bag. I'm going to pull out this next item, which is probably the thing that I'm least excited about in this entire box. This is a perfume sample from K. Ali, and it says that it's vanilla. I'm not going to spray it. I know that vanilla is one of the scents that I'm very sensitive to. My sister used to wear vanilla perfume all the time, and I'm just sensitive to it. So this is from K. Ali Vanilla. Katan and her sister Mona launched K. Ali fragrances. I might be saying that wrong. Fragrances together, and the line's velvety vanilla scent is one very decadent perfume. It's like cake batter for the most luxurious wedding cake you've ever seen or smelled. But the blend of tonka and brown sugar is also balanced by amber, vanilla orchid, and musk that gives it just enough edge. The scent radiates a vibe that's equal parts sexy and strong, like come hither but also bend the knee, you know? That's from Sable Young, digital makeup editor. So it does have the prices. I personally will not be purchasing anything like this because I'm sensitive to scents. So I'm going to pull this out next. So this is the Benefit Ka-Brow Mini Cream Gel Brow in the shade 3, which I think might be too dark for me. I'm going to have to look that up. Maybe not. Maybe not. I like that it is like the same shape as the full size. That's actually kind of neat. It looks almost like a caramel shade. So that actually might work for me. And it does have a brush. So like the full size I know has a brush. I did not expect the mini to have a brush. So that's nice. I'm not going to open it because I'm not going to put it on now. I think three will work. My brows are a little bit deeper today because I used a brown pencil instead of a blonde, but I think it'll work. All right, so I'm happy. There was an option of 3 different items. I'm happy I got this one. The 2 other items are the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which is a fine primer, but I have other samples of that already. The Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0, which is actually the item that I have in my waterline right now. I'm pretty sure. I think so. It's a black gel eyeliner. I think it's the Urban Decay one as well. And then there was this one. So this is the Benefit Ka-Brow Cream Gel Brow Color. Other brow products require delicate artistry, but this cream gel couldn't be easier to use. Swipe it on with the cap's built-in brush, and its buildable waterproof formula bulks up brows and sets them in just a few strokes. Then presto, you're basically Huda. Can we talk about how amazing her brows are? From Cotton Codina, Senior Beauty Features Editor. And you can buy it at benefitcosmetics.com. I don't know. All right, this is the next item in here from Way Hair Care. This is a texturizing hairspray. So I don't really use a lot of hairsprays, so I'm gonna put this in my giveaway drawer. So this is the Way Texturizing Hairspray. Jen Atkin, the hairstylist behind Way, is a master of full sultry waves, so it makes perfect sense that her texturizing spray would be the best of its kind. A lot of others attempt to create beachy bends, but just leave my hair crunchy, or exactly the same. This formula gave me pretty soft volume all over. A few mists from my roots to my ends emphasized and defined my hair's natural wave, so it looked like I'd actually spent time styling it. An excellent fake out, considering I'd air dried that morning. The warm smell was heaven, and the next day my hair didn't feel stiff, so I didn't have to shampoo 2 days in a row. Now, whenever my fine hair is looking limp or blah, I reach for this can to infuse it with a sexy something something. So you can buy it at theway.com. Enter Allure19 at checkout to receive 15% off your order from July 1st through September 1st. All right, and there's one more item in the bag. These are intense. These are Huda eyelashes. I wonder if she's wearing these eyelashes in that picture. But there they are. They do have plastic over them, so that's why you're getting a little bit of the reflection there from my lights. But those are some intense lashes. If I put these on my lids, I think they would be touching my brows. Yeah. Okay. These are the Samantha lashes. They're beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. I just think that I would, I don't think they'd agree with me. We'll see. I might keep them. I have a whole stash of eyelashes here behind me. The reason why I don't wear them more often is because I'm not good at putting them on. So I think I just need to practice more. All right, so this is the Huda Beauty Classic Lash in Samantha. These false lashes are one of Katan's all-time bestsellers, and it's easy to see why. They looked dramatic in the box, but when I put them on, they were wispy and pretty. Really? I'm gonna have to try them. They looked more like fresh lash extensions than a crazy fan of false lashes, and I loved how light and flexible they felt. Others can be stiff or heavy. My favorite way to apply falsies: measure first by holding them up to your lash line, then trim any excess from the outer corners. Coat the base using a lash glue with a brush applicator, press the center of the lashes on first, and then gently tamp down the rest from there. That's from Kathleen Suko, assistant editor. You can get them at shophudabeauty.com, and they are priced at $20. So there you go. All right, so what did I get in my box? I got this lipstick. I think I do actually have a Dose of Colors shade that is similar to this. I think I do. But it's pretty. The lashes, the Way Hairspray, the Cabral, the Hydrogel Mask, and the perfume. Is that everything? I think that's everything. All right, so overall, I'm pretty pleased with this box, to be honest with you. I got some really nice things in here. So let's go ahead. I'm going to scratch off the card here and tell you what the secrets are underneath. Before I do that, hit that like button if you haven't already. Hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already. I really would like to try to get to 800 subscribers, so if you can and you are willing, please hit that red subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the little bell to notify you when I upload new videos, but really just hit the subscribe button. And if you have any comments, leave us in the comment section down below. What do you think of this month's Allure box? So I'm going to go ahead and scratch this off. All right, if you're still here with me, the items on the card, it says Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream, which is this item right here. This item below it is the Nuria, and I can't see what that is. I have no idea what it is. It's some sort of cream. Then there is the Enzo Lazo Multitask Eye Serum Mask and Benefit They're Real. So if you guys can see that, that is what's coming up in August. I will forget by the time August's box comes, so it's fine by me. I will forget. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next epic beauty fail. Bye.